Welcome. Today I'm going to try to use this machine and vacuum seal to seal this sandwich bag right here. Many people say that it's too thin to seal with this machine. Yes, it's correct because it's the plastics here is too thin. But I just found another way you can seal this bag. For example, I have some food, some chocolate here inside this bag, and all you have to do is open this up, put inside the seal bag, and with the machine, make sure this open up, put it inside, and you get the idea, right? It's just air, vacuum all the air of this out without sealing it. So it's sucking the air out, also sucking the air inside this out, and all you have to do is just tie this right here. That's it. Open this up. Make sure to tie one more time. And guess what? Check this out. You have this thing airtight and sealed. Okay, you like it so far? So okay, for the next one I'm gonna use this Ziploc bag right here, the bigger one. You use this machine right there, and as many people know, one of the way to seal is just cut this top away, and then it's just get the outer strip right there. We cut this away. Okay, you just keep this part right here. Cut it half, and you can put the food inside of this bag. If this bag is too long, you can cut it shorter right here. But let's see if it's still working with this bigger bag. So use the tube, put inside this. One, two, there you go. All you have to do is make sure. There you go. Make sure everything goes inside the vacuum chamber right here, and then let's do the magic one. Seal it. I mean, suck it. As you can see, the air is coming out. It's already coming out. More. That's good. All you have to do is now seal it. Let it seal. Maybe the bag too thin, it may tear up a little bit, but don't worry. It's still sealed, it's good. There you go. Open this. A little hot, let it cool down. If you take it too early, it's gonna tear up. But let it cool down a little, and let's see. There you go. See? And seal. So if you like this video, give us a thumb up so many people know about these two methods I'm using right here to save the bag and reuse the zip sandwich bag you have. And I left in the link the description to buy the vacuum machine. If you need one, check it out my description. Alright, thank you for watching.